Are your teams spending valuable time working around disconnected systems and departments? How much does it cost every time you have to check the status of an order? And what about production delays caused by incomplete parts to complete an assembly? Miscommunications between engineering and production, broken parts, shipping mistakes. You could be losing thousands of dollars every month. Production Coach from RSA Solutions streamlines the manufacturing process by collecting, tracking, and sorting all production parts and assemblies in real time. Production Coach is compatible with WoodCAD CAM, Cabinet Vision, Microvellum, and spreadsheets, so your orders can be imported from your existing software. Once the job is in the system, data is collected in real time by HOMAG CNC controllers with feedback and label scanners for parts and products. Each factory has its own custom data tracking system which is designed for that specific production strategy, making it easy to manage timelines, clarify assembly instructions, report missing or damaged parts, and even monitor kitting, staging, and shipping. It's time to bring your facility into the 21st century. Contact RSA Solutions today to find out what Production Coach can do for your bottom line.